In order for you to enable or disable Smart Shift on your Logitech MX Master phone, you need to start by ensuring that you have launched the Logi Options Plus app on your computer. Once you've successfully launched the app and you've selected your mouse, you can then select the option Point, Scroll, Press. From here, choose Scroll Wheel, and you should see this option Smart Shift. So this is a feature that automatically shifts you to hyper scrolling whenever you start scrolling really fast using your Logitech mouse. So currently, as you can see, mine is enabled and the sensitivity value has been set to 83%. But if I want to disable it, I can just click on the to go like so. And so now I'll be able to customize the scroll mode from either ratchet to free spin, which is the hyper fast scroll, or just the line by line scrolling, which is normally the default. So it's up to you to decide which option you'd prefer. But if you want it to be done automatically, you can just re-enable Smart Shift, and now depending on how you're scrolling, it will switch from line by line to hyper fast scrolling. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.